Okay, this is a review on the Husquvarna 350. It's our X4 block. Husquvarna 350. This is a sort of new chainsaw. It works in really good condition. There's not that much more to say about it. It's just a Husqvarna. Good chainsaw. Okay. How about I do a test on it? My friend wants to say something.
Oh, you're a dumbass.
Well, whatever. But this is the cutting test on it. My friend's gonna hold it while I cut. I'm gonna cut that right there. Aim at the blade.
Hey, I'm Dylan.
Aim at the blade.
Let's see. Cool.
Hey guys, this is the cutting. Okay guys, there you go. That's the cutting job.